Welcome to Solidity Finance. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to deploy an NFT smart contract, mint an NFT, and create an NFT collection. So in order for us to get started, we'll be needing an ERC-721 smart contract. And we'll also be needing an NFT storage for storing our images and our JSON file. And this JSON file contains our name of an NFT, our description, and other metadata. So in order for us to be able to use the NFT storage, we have to get an account. If you haven't gotten an account, I expect you to sign up, then create an account with them. And lastly, our image generator, which we are going to be using to generate our images for our NFTs. If you already have images to use, you don't need to generate these. So I'll be dropping all the links to this in my description. So first thing first, we are going to be deploying our ERC-721 smart contract. So in order for us to deploy this smart contract, we need to have test ether. We literally need to have Sapolia ether. So you need to have Sapolia ether. So you change your environment to injected Web3 provider, then connect to your Sapolia network. This code, I'm going to leave this code in my description, so you don't have to worry about the code. You just simply have to copy and paste it to your remix. So we change to injected provider, then we go and hit deploy. Let's bring up the terminal so we'll see if our transaction went successfully. So go ahead and hit deploy. Okay, let's see. Okay. So let's wait a bit to see if our transaction went. Loading. Okay. So you can see our bond, our safe mint, you can see renounce ownership. So this is simply our ERC-721 smart contract. So we are deploying this so that we can be able to access it on OpenSea testnet, because we're literally testing our smart contract. So next, we are going to be preparing and uploading our metadata. So we are currently trying to create a metadata for our NFT. So you can see this is how we named our JSON file. You can see we named it 0.json. You can see here. Let me try and zoom out. You can see we named this 0.json. So let me zoom back in. So let's head over to. So you can see we have our name, the goats, we have a description, the greatest of all time. So we have our image. So this image, we need a link to where our files are stored at. So this is where our NFT storage comes into play. So we are going to start uploading our pictures. So in order for us to get our link, so we'll do the goats. So if you don't have images to upload, like I said, you can go to AI image generator and generate some images to use. So I have already generated some images, so I don't need to generate any more images. So I'll quickly click on upload. You can see it's uploading. Okay, so we'll just do what? Then we'll copy our IPFS URL. This is what we are going to copy, IPFS URL. So we are going to copy it here. Then we are going to go to our image and paste it. You can see our metadata for our first NFT is ready. It contains the name, the description, and the image. So we are going to do this for two more NFTs. So we are going to do one.json. Then we're going to do 2.json. So enter. So this is making 3, 1, 2, 3. So all you simply have to do is to just copy. You just copy this. You copy everything. The only thing that will be changing, right? Copy. The only thing that will be changing is our image URL, our IPFS URL. That's the only thing that's going to be changing. Go for this. So let's go ahead and upload the second image, second and third. So say groups. We did the first, so we'll do the second. Open, upload. So it's currently uploading. Wait a little bit. Then you can see it has uploaded successfully. So we'll copy our IPFS. Then we'll go to the second NFT, which is 1. Then we'll paste it here. Go ahead and paste it here. See? Can see? Let me see if we are having similar things. Okay. Okay, that's 2 different. Okay. So we're going to do for our third. So we're going to upload our third image. So we're going to do both. Then the third image. We open. Then we upload. So this is our third image. So we're going to copy our IPFS. Remember, we're copying the second. So go to our image. Then we'll go to our third. Then we'll place it. Then okay. So oops. I think I copied. Same for now paste. Yeah. Make sure they are not having the same IFPS link, or else we'll be minting the same image all over and over again. So we can see, so all this we are going to upload them to our NFT storage. So I'm actually going to download these files so I can easily upload them. So you download the files. So I've downloaded 3 of the files. So I'm going to my files NFT. So let's get rid of these files so we don't get confused. So delete. Yes. So this time around, we are going to be uploading these JSON files. So the IFPS link that we are going to be getting from these files is what we are going to be using to mint an NFT. You can see safe mint, you can see address to, you can see token ID, then you can see the URI. This is where we are going to be passing our IFPS link. So this is going to grab our image, our description, and our name. It's going to be displaying on OpenSea testnet. So let's go ahead and upload our JSON files. So let's go and upload. So let's upload 0. Let's upload the first. Then upload. Here. So copying the IFPS URL. So let's try and mint. So we're going to paste our URL here. Then we're going to be pasting our address. We're going to be minting. So let's mint to our own address. Then token ID, we're going to pass in 0. Yeah. So we're going to transact. Let's hold on and see. You can see our transaction went successfully. So let's go to OpenSea testnet. So we are going to grab our contract address of our NFT. We grab it here. So we're going to be pasting our contract address. Then you can see we currently have one NFT, which was the NFT we minted. And you can see, look at the NFT, the goat. Okay, the goat. You can see owned by me. You can see the description, the greatest of all time. So if you get all these steps correctly, you will be able to do this easily. So for minting other tokens, we just simply replace the IFPS. We just simply upload. Let's upload another IFPS, another file. We just choose the file. You can say let's do for our third token. Then we'll and after you upload, then you just grab the file. Just grab and copy the IPFS. So once you copy the IPFS, you paste it here and give it a token ID. You can name this anything. Then you transact. So once the transaction is successful, you copy your contract address of your smart contract. Then you go to testnet, OpenSea. Then you look for then you paste it here. Then you're going to see your items are going to pop up. Sometimes it takes up to 5 minutes, sometimes it takes up to 10 minutes. So it depends on how fast NFT Story decides to release your information. So you can see I'm currently having one NFT while I've minted two. Okay, you can see the second one, but the image of fire popped up. So that's how you do for everything. So that's how you deploy mints and create an NFT collection.